Yeah, we're just getting, well, I've just got stuff ready and we're going to go on a nice ride, a full day's trick today, hopefully. Weather's looking quite good, can I have a look? Not too bad of a morning, got the bike set up, going to go for a nice full day's ride. Got a brew kit in there, Martin's coming in a minute on his GS, and yeah, we're going to head off to Snowdonia and Carnarvon. Mile, I think, from down in this, I think. Absolutely. Gorgeous, isn't it? The picture there, isn't it? Just the colour of the green moss. Yeah. Yeah, so we can link that one in as well. So if you want to turn your indicator off, that'll help, because we're going right. Might be added fuel into that. This may be the fourth man going into the going. The nice road on left, follow it there. Yeah, we'll do this. Go to Ridge View, and when we come past Ridge View, train station, just after the pub, turn left, back on the south side. loads of deer there. Yeah, get the deer on the video. Here we are at Carnarvon Airport. Stopping for something to eat. Let's have a coffee. As always, time for coffee and food. We'll get it down here at the airport. Helicopter there. Get a push here. Get this down this. Well, we're fed and watered for a bit. Just look at those. Say we're fed and watered for a bit. Do a bit more riding. Those mountains though in the background. Stunning. All back on it though. After that burger. I'm going to weigh this suspension down now. Yeah, no. Right, nice burger that was. Oh, pardon me. Alright. Get yourself and sorted. Shame. We knew as much anyway, like. Right, we'll just head to the next one. Let's do it, let's do it. Coming up. Yeah. Oh, he's waiting for us, is he? Alright. Yeah, exactly. That's that old place you look down on. Literally charging for fucking parking. Do what, sorry?
You see where the cafe is.
Well, that sign over there said, didn't it?
Did it? Okay.
Yeah. Welcome to Nanta Gwerthen. Gwerthen. Someone can correct me on that. All parking, £2?
No, it is.
Look at that. Stunning, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. It's not quite a stone circle, but tremendous viewpoint. Who are they? 2 up, 2 down. Tie back, Lloyd. Look at that.
So 200 people.
It's crazy, isn't it? Well, then there's a lot of buildings, isn't there?
Yeah.
And they look in good order. Men who moulded the mountain.
First time I heard that term, sets. Sets.
Well worth the visit, though. On a bike ride. Right, can you hear me? I don't know. Yes, I think it's picking something up. So, fair enough.